Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today I want to talk about should you outsource your content for your blog and where is the best place to get some decent articles. Put it down some. What I would do, yes, I would definitely outsource some of the content on your blog. It saves you time. It's you know, the people that you hire, they pretty much write better than you do if you don't write all the time. But if you run a blog part-time, I'm pretty sure you hire a writer that might write better than you. And yeah, you should hire writers. Now, I hire writers different. I hire writers on, and I give them content that's hard for me to write. And let's say I want to make a 2,000 word or 1,500 word post. It's harder for me to do that. I might make 600 words. They can make it to 1,500 words. So the harder the subject, I would hire a writer to do. So I write the easier stuff, and I pay for their harder stuff. You don't want to pay someone to write the easy stuff for you that you go write in an hour. I give them stuff that's harder to write, that I can't really write. I have to sit down and do a lot of research, and I don't have a lot of time. So I do the easy stuff, and they write the hard stuff. And right now I use iWriter for my outsourcing for my blog content. They work pretty good. Well, they're pretty good. Had a couple, maybe 2-3 articles that wasn't written correctly, but you know, they'll tell you the price right up front, how many words will be, the level. You have standard, premium, elite, and I've got the last one, but you pay for the type of article you want. So I went with the standard for a while, but now I'm going to the premium. They're decent prices, and they'll give you the article. If you don't like the article, you can always ask for a rewrite or decline it. You don't have to accept the article. I'm most times probably like 80% accepted. Some articles that had nothing to do with my topic, I just ask for a rewrite, or it asks you why I want rewritten. I say, well, there's nothing to do with my topic. This is my topic right here, and if they rewrite it for you, it's better. So you should definitely outsource some of the blog content to help you. You know, and in my past videos, I talked about doing 2 blog posts per week. Let's just say if you've written 4 at one time and you paid for 2, well, that's 3 weeks of content that you don't have to write or buy. So you're good for the next 3 weeks. So that's another way of making your blog pretty much autopilot, because all you're doing is writing content. Once the blog is set up, just write the content or pay a writer to write the content for you. And it could be really good business. I mean, if you have a lot of money, if you want a lot of content, I'd say $500. You get good $500, you get a lot of articles written. You know, I don't know, $15, $20 an article. That's 8. You might get about $30 written for $500. And is that a good investment? Well, if you pay 30 articles to be written and you write 20 yourself, that's 50 articles on your blog. That's a lot of content. So it depends on you. I mean, I buy articles here and there. I try to write as much as I can. If you got a little money to spend, go ahead and get iWriter. Look below the video for that link as well. And yeah, I would definitely outsource some of your content. I would definitely do it. Just for the harder topics that takes a long time for you to write. That's what I would do. And yeah, if you want to get iWriter, it's a pretty good company. They have a couple issues with some articles, but I got rewritten or declined it, and I put it back in the pool. And as soon as I put a job up, they're automatically being written. Sometimes I get it back in like 10 minutes. It's crazy. Sometimes an hour. It might go a couple of days. It might go 4 days. The harder topic, the longer it takes to be written. So while your content is being written on a hard topic, don't wait around for it to be finished. Write yourself some content as well. So you want to keep this thing keep on going. So yeah, that's it in my video. iWriter, link below the video. You want to get an iWriter, really good company to get some articles written for your blog. And yeah, that's it. If you like the video, share my video, and I'll see you next time.